Joni, what's up, girl?
What's up?
Welcome to the Parachute Center.
Thanks.
How are we doing here today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing pretty good. So why don't you tell us what this whole getup is for? What are we doing here today?
This is to attach me to the guy behind me.
To Rob?
Yes.
And what are you going to be doing when you're attached to him? What are we doing here today?
Skydiving.
We're going skydiving. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
Yeah, I think so.
And this is your first jump?
Yeah, first jump.
And how are you feeling about this? You nervous? You excited?
Both.
Both?
Nervous, but very excited.
And you're not going to freak out at me like the last girl did, right?
No.
All right, well, we have Rob here. Rob's the best. He's gonna make sure you get back down to the ground and you can see this video, all right? Do you have anything you want to say to friends and family back home?
I love you guys.
I like it. Give me a high five. We'll see you over there.
Yeah.
What was the best part of that?
Oh my god, it always like started floating.
There's nothing like it.
No, that was incredible.
Do you have anything you want to say to the friends and family back home? Tell
10
the
years,
viewers.
baby. 10 years.
Thank you very much. Give me a high five.